Hey there, hair care enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to amazing hair growth? Today, I'm diving into the wonders of coconut oil and rosemary oil and how these natural oils can transform your hair health. First up, let's talk about coconut oil. This popular oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish your scalp and hair. It's got amazing antibacterial and antifungal properties, keeping your scalp healthy and free from infections. Plus, coconut oil penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense conditioning, reducing protein loss, and preventing breakage. That's right, it's a hair superhero. Now let's give some love to rosemary oil. This powerhouse oil is fantastic for stimulating hair follicles and improving blood circulation to the scalp. Its antioxidant properties protect your hair follicles from damage, and it can even help reduce dandruff and scalp irritation. Over time, rosemary oil has been linked to improved hair thickness and growth. Pretty impressive, huh? So, how do you use these oils for hair growth? Let's break it down. For coconut oil, warm a small amount in your hands until it melts. Gently massage it into your scalp and work it through the lengths of your hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Then, wash it out with a mild shampoo and conditioner. For rosemary oil, mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Massage the mixture into your scalp, focusing on areas where you want to boost hair growth. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes, then rinse it out with shampoo. For best results, repeat this process 1-2 times a week. Want to combine the benefits? Try a combination treatment. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 5-6 drops of rosemary oil. Warm the mixture slightly for better absorption. Massage it into your scalp and hair, ensuring even distribution. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. Use this treatment 1-2 times a week for optimal results. Here are some tips for best results. Be consistent with your applications to see noticeable improvements in hair growth. Maintain a healthy diet and stay hydrated to support overall hair health. And avoid using excessive heat or harsh chemicals on your hair to prevent damage. To wrap it up, coconut oil and rosemary oil are fantastic natural remedies for promoting hair growth and improving overall hair health. Give these methods a try and let me know your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy hair care.